How are you all? I hope you all are happy and fine. Today I have interesting information for you. Today I will tell you about professions, what work do for us. So kids, now we're going towards our story, and if you like my story, so don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Professional people are special helpers who have important jobs. They work to make our world a better place. Some professional people are doctors who help us when we're sick, firefighters who keep us safe from fires, and teachers who help us learn new things. They wear special clothes and have tools to help them do their jobs. We can trust them to help us when we need it. Doctors are friendly helpers who take care of us when we're sick. They wear white coats and have stethoscopes to listen to our hearts. Doctors are like superheroes who make us feel better with their magic medicines. We can visit them when we have a boo-boo or need a checkup to stay healthy. Teachers are wonderful friends who help us learn and play. They have big smiles and lots of colorful books and toys. Teachers teach us ABCs, numbers, and how to share and be kind. We love spending time with our teachers and learning new things every day. Cooks are like magic chefs who make yummy food for us to eat. They wear aprons and use big spoons to stir delicious meals. Cooks chop veggies and mix ingredients with love to make tasty treats. We thank cooks for filling our tummies with yummy food every day. Maids are helpful friends who keep our homes clean and cozy. They wear aprons and carry mops and brooms to sweep away messes. Maids tidy up toys, wash dishes, and make our beds with care. We're grateful for maids who make our home a happy place to be. Engineers are like builders who create amazing things that we use every day. They wear hard hats and use tools like hammers and wrenches to build and fix stuff. Engineers design cool toys, strong bridges, and even giant buildings. We can thank engineers for making our world exciting and fun.